News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Renu Kataria giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in National Health Systems Resource Centre, Central Institute for Research on Buffaloes Hisar, Institute of Life Sciences Bhubaneswar, Office of the Development Commissioner, Sainik School Jhunjhunu, Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises and Sri Guru Gobind Singh College of Commerce. National Health Systems Resource Centre NHSRC has been set up under the National Rural Health Mission of Government of India to serve as an apex body for technical assistance. Established in 2006, the National Health Systems Resource Centre's mandate is to assist in policy and strategy development in the provision and mobilization of technical assistance to the states and in capacity building for the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare at the centre and in the states. The goal of this institution is to improve health outcomes by facilitating governance reform, health systems innovations, and improved information sharing among all stakeholders at the national, state, district, and sub-district levels through specific capacity development and convergence models. National Health Systems Resource Centre, New Delhi, is seeking applications from eligible candidates for the following posts: 1 post of Senior Consultant, Surveillance, M&E and Research; 1 post of Senior Consultant, Care Support and Treatment; 1 post of Senior Consultant, Injection Safety; 2 posts of Consultant, Surveillance Monitoring; 2 posts of Consultant, Care Support and Treatment; and 1 post of Consultant Lab. The terms of reference with details of required qualification and experience is available on the websites www.nhsrcindia.org, www.mohfw.gov.in and www.davenetjobsindia.org. Applications must reach in the prescribed online application format only as mentioned in the websites. Last date of receiving of application is 6th November 2021. Walk-in interview for 1 contractual position of Research Associate will be held on 15th November 2021 at 1100 hours under projects at ICAR, Central Institute for Research on Buffaloes Hisar. For essential qualifications and other details, visit the website cirb.icar.gov.in. Institute of Life Sciences Bhubaneswar, an autonomous research institute of Department of Biotechnology, Government of India, invites applications from eligible Indian citizens only for 1 post of Scientist B and 4 posts of Scientist C. Details of the advertisement and application form is available at www.ils.res.in or www.dbtindia.nic.in. Last date of application is 30 days from the publication of advertisement in Employment News. Next is a corrigendum by Office of the Development Commissioner. With reference to Office Letter of Even Number dated 26th July 2021 on the subject advertisement inviting application for the post of 8 Assistant Development Commissioner in SEZs located in Kerala and Karnataka and 1 post of Section Officer in Cochin Special Economic Zone, the last date of submission of applications for the post, which was published in the Employment News dated 14th to 20th August 2021, is extended till 30th November 2021. Sainik School Jhunjhunu has notified the vacancies of 1 general employee female Aya contractual and 1 nursing sister female contractual. Details regarding age, reservation criteria, essential qualifications, desirable qualifications, application fee, pay scale and allowances, procedure to apply, application form, nature of the selection test, etc. are available on Recruitment tab of school's website. Duly filled application forms as in given format along with all necessary self-attested documents must reach the office latest by 1700 hours on 20th November 2021. Applications received after due date will not be accepted. School will not be responsible for any postal delay. In future, all information regarding form, date or schedule of recruitment process, etc. will be notified on school website www.ssjhunjhunu.com. For latest update, candidates are advised to visit school website regularly. Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises (MSME), Government of India has established various autonomous bodies, MSME technology centers across the nation, and these centers primarily support industry, particularly MSMEs, by providing technical assistance and business advisory support. For details, please visit www.dcmsme.gov.in. Office of Development Commissioner MSME New Delhi requires Principal Director for Fragrance and Flavor Development Centre, Kannauj. The Principal Director, being the Executive Head of Fragrance and Flavor Development Centre, shall be responsible for day-to-day management and affairs of the Technology Centre and shall exercise powers under the direction, superintendence and control of Chairman of the Governing Council. It shall be the duty of Principal Director to coordinate and exercise general supervision of overall activities of the Fragrance and Flavor Development Centre. Applications are invited from citizens of India for the post proposed to be filled on contract basis for a period of 5 years initially, with further extension based on the review of performance till the age of superannuation. Applications as per the performer given in detailed advertisement on website www.dcmsme.gov.in and www.ffdcindia.org should reach by speed or registered post to the concerned authority. Candidates serving in central or state government or any government undertaking or autonomous organizations are required to send their application through proper channel. However, they may send an advance copy to the Office of Development Commissioner MSME and produce NOC at the time of interview. Sri Guru Gobind Singh College of Commerce, founded in 1984 as the second Commerce College of the University of Delhi, is a premier institute specializing in commerce, economics, business studies and computer science. The college is recognized for academic excellence. The emphasis is on provision of quality education accompanied with character development and cultural growth so as to prepare socially responsible citizens. Strategically located near the TV Tower, Pitampura, New Delhi, the college is sponsored by the Delhi Sikh Gurdwara Management Committee, a statutory body constituted under an Act of Parliament. The college is named after the 10th Guru, Sri Guru Gobind Singh Ji. Drawing inspirations from the teachings of Sikh Gurus, the college helps its students to imbibe moral and spiritual values having universal acceptance. Sustains and concerted efforts accompanied with relevant policies, systems and infrastructure conducive for meaningful and adapted learning play an important role in ensuring that the college successfully maintains its position amongst the finest institutes pan-India. These efforts have culminated in securing an A-grade ranking by National Assessment and Accreditation Council (NAAC). The college has also been placed amongst the top 100 higher education institutions on performance by the National Institute Ranking Framework of the Ministry of Human Resource Development. Sri Guru Gobind Singh College of Commerce invites applications from eligible candidates for recruitment for one post of section officer. Last date for receipt of application is within 2 weeks from the date of publication of advertisement in Employment News, whichever is later. For details, please visit the college website www.sggscc.ac.in. Any addendum or corrigendum shall be posted only on the college website. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for Information in English, Rozgar Samachar for Information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for Information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.